Miro, go! You need to be a Dutch.
Yeah.
This is your
Come on,
heritage.
you wanted to go. Oh my God, yeah, he's gonna go!
Let's go. That's my goal.
Wait, okay, fine.
Hello, everybody. So today we are going to the beach.
We are going to the beach.
Lame. Anyway, we are picking up Zhenyang now, and we hope he's ready, and then we can go. We're going to The Hague, and it's called Scheveningen. Is that right?
Are we going to Scheveningen?
Yeah, we are.
Oh.
We brought our bathing suits. Did you see
I also we were
Yeah,
like,
but I thought we were going to take that.
like that? Oh, we can go there.
but is there cafes there?
There's cafes
There's
everywhere.
cafes.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, is this
Yeah. Hi, Yang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just afraid like it's gonna be like too cold and like very troublesome.
Actually, I just want to wet my leg or something.
I want to play with the water, not like.
What the shit gets got into the water? You guys so afraid?
Oh no.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we'll end up.
You just
off
gotta
the way.
run in and then
Let's
it's
wait a
fine.
little bit until it's like actually sunny.
Yeah.
And then
What you do is you stand on the beach, you run as fast as you can in the into the water, you fall into the water, and then everything's fine.
Okay.
Wait, it's not raining right now.
Yeah, it's dry. It's even blue sky.
yeah, maybe we can go to the beach and see if we can get lunch there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe
Bye.
changing shoes now is a good idea.
Yeah, right.
Oh.
And the way did they go to the rain?
Oh. Uh huh.
It's kind of cold now.
Same. See.
See? 我穿到最好。
Yeah.
我穿长裤耶哦。There's a Ferris wheel on the beach, right?
No, that's the
That's
the.
Scheveningen.
Yeah.
It's
We-
a little bit over there.
Yeah, we can walk to
Oh.
Scheveningen if you
Wait,
want.
so we are not at Scheveningen now. Oh,
We are
so this is
kind
my first
down.
time here in this
It's like
beach.
4 kilometers,
Yeah.
Okay, which is?
which is about 2.4 miles.
Like
I have no
I
idea what
don't-
mouse is.
Nice man, guys. Woohoo! Wow, there's a sing. There's a sing.
At this place.
Oh yeah, we can do that. We can totally just go to this restaurant if we want, or let's just walk around for a bit.
I wanna go on the sing below.
Which where? Oh, this place. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna like order now.
Oh,
This is our blanket, but okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you guys want to drink? Ik weet nog niet we zijn nog niet helemaal klaar. We zijn nog een menu aan het bekijken. Dus misschien nog heel even wachten. Oké, dankjewel.
The one that's the cheapest.
It's gonna be normal. We can go for a swim.
And then we can go walk.
This one?
Ah, dankjewel. Yay, my fresh mint tea.
Thank you.
It's smakelijk.
Oh, that is sweet too.
Wow, amazing. Miro, how's the food?
I haven't tried it yet. This is good though.
What is that?
No, I think it's like a
Fried.
fried vegetable.
Wow, dankjewel.
Eet smakelijk.
Dankjewel. Wow. What is in there?
It's just a bill. There's no sweet.
Oh, open it.
Scam.
Oh, there's a food.
Is it peppermint?
Oh, yay.
Yes. You don't like that?
I do, but not always.
These
Is it
are
real
the best.
homemade?
These
are the best.
This is the suite they gave us. There's a picture of the queen. This is very Dutch, by the way.
Yeah, it's very Dutch.
It's so Dutch. This suite is called Wilhelmina, which is the name of the queen.
No.
Name of the...
Name of the, not the previous queen, but the queen before her.
So the queen before the previous queen.
You
Yeah.
need help? Are you?
Okay, we're gonna
going
chill
to
by the beach soon. I think I'm gonna take a nap by the beach.
Yeah.
Feel the sun coming out. What?
Where are you, Rabbi?
I don't know. Whoa!
Everyone grab a corner.
I can't.
You know what?
Miro, go! You need to be a Dutch.
Yeah.
This is your
Come on, you wanted to go. Oh my God, yeah, he's gonna go.
Let's go. That's my goal.
Okay, fine.
Go in and out real quick.
Okay.
It's not worth it.
No, it is!
It is.
It's not worth
It
getting
is.
wet.
I drove all this way. I drove all this way to drop you off on the beach.
No, I mean if you just get wet for a moment, then it's not worth it. You get wet.
Okay.
Why we're going to ride the rain.
Do you know how cold it is? No, we're start running. We're not allowed to stop. Everyone has
that's the
to go
idea.
in. Okay.
And you have to keep going
No.
until you fall over into the water.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah.
Okay, 3,
Oh my God!
They ended up doing it.
The water went into my ears.
It's actually quite cold. Like if you're staying in, it's fine.
Yeah, once
But
you
like
come-
once you get out. And now like because I'm dry a little more, it's okay.
Yeah, I know.
But it's just like when you're standing like they're standing, that's when it's cold.
Yeah.
Wow! Oh my God, these are big waves. Woohoo! It feels so good, guys. I'm not cold anymore.
Me too. It's just like the temperature of a swimming pool.
Exactly. Should we go back now?
Yeah.
Okay. Guess what? Do you see this thing? Yeah. There's a body inside.
Yeah.
Wait, 50.
Yeah. Really?
Huh? Hey, wow, these two Dutch person is like
smart.
learning Chinese, guys. By the park, appreciating the sunlight. Yeah, just now 我已经在这里了。应该要哦，拍那边。